Hey guys, today let's learn how to restore our Viber messages and iPhone. All you need to do is of course, let's head on and launch our Viber apps. And once you're here, all we need to do basically is to head on over and click on More. And what this does, it basically shows us more options and settings that we could do in order for us to just easily restore our old Vibrant messages onto the new device if we are using one. So head on over to Settings, head on over to Account, and then head on over to Viber Backup. Now what this does is it's pretty much the same as WhatsApp backup messages, but it's the Viber version of that. So basically, if you want to back up all of your data messages and history over here onto your Viber account, just click on Backup Now, and it'll automatically back up all of those chat history onto your iCloud account, which means that when you want to use another device and use the same Viber account over there, all you need to do is to log in your Viber or rather your iCloud account right there. And it's easy to, and it's easily going to be synced all together with no problems. Okay guys, thank you guys for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one. And again, this has been How to Web.